It's Year of the Ear time. Hi, you pals. SisketEars Mary here, and welcome to the channel. It is Year of the Ear time. The Year of the Ear time. It's May, and we're ready to do our Year of the Ear again. Woo! If you don't know what Year of the Ear is, it's a year-long, month-to-month ear swap that Tony and I put together back in 2020. We give a theme for every month, and you create a pair of ears based off that theme, or you can purchase from Etsy. That's fine, as long as they're not like official licensed Disney park ears. So this is May's Year of the Ear box. I mean, it's wild. It's wild, but we're gonna get to that in a minute. We're gonna talk about April, and April's Year of the Ear theme was Opposites Attract, basically kind of a mashup, taking two things that wouldn't necessarily go together and putting them together. So I got these, wow, ears from Nicole over at Earisistable Magic. I am gonna link the video up here, but this is not all. She sent 1, 2, 3 pairs of incredible ears. This is pair number 2. I mean, what in the world? This is pair number 3. Thank you so much, Nicole. I really appreciate them. They are amazing. All right, on to May. May's theme is birds, Disney birds. If you're interested in seeing who I sent to, it's Julia over at Princess and the Bean. She will be linked down below. Go check it out because I'm super proud of the ears that I created. Very unique, very different type of ears. So go check that out. Also, everybody else will be linked in the description down below that is participating in this month's Year of the Ear. So my box here, look at this. This is crazy pants, right? You can't, it doesn't get in the frame. Okay, so birds is the theme. So these are definitely birds. Look at all these birds right here. Any of these birds would make really super cute ears. Here we have, oh, focus, 3 caballeros. Beasts with birds all over him would be like super adorable. You have Snow White, you have the vultures. This is from Jungle Book. This is from Julie over at the Disney Jewels. So I have cut the box and we're just gonna open it right up and see what's going on in here. All right, so if you don't know, I love to send my ears in a reusable bag, and it looks like, Bubblies, it looks like Julie has done the same this month. She has sent me this super adorable reusable bag. I've never seen this before, but it's so cute. So here's the bag of, whoa, there's a lot in here. More of these. All right, so here's the bag of ears, and we're just gonna get right into it. Birds is the theme. Let's see what we have. All right, this is number 1. But okay, this is what it looks like. So it has this here, and then on the back it has this little card, and it says number 1. So this looks like something I need to read, right? All right, so here we go. Dear Mary, happy May, Year of the Ear. Yay for Disney birds. Thank you for all you do every month, keeping this wonderful swap going for 3.5 years. I really hope you enjoy all of your ears. I wanted to spoil you just a little, and I love to gift Wonderground postcards to go with the theming if I can. Oh, that's fun. The orange bird ornament was a gift to me from an eBay order, but I already have the same one, so I sent it along as well, and just a little Tommy Bahama Disney promo card that I picked up for free at Mohegan Sun in Connecticut. All right, so lots of stuff in the plastic bag. Okay, well, this is cute. Oh, that's the Tommy Bahama thing she's talking about. That's adorable. All right, and then I'm guessing this is like the little orange bird ornament she's talking about. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, that's super cute. All right, so that came with as well. These, number 1, these are not Minnie and Daisy ears, but I just loved this print of these 2. Hopefully you don't have it in your collection yet. Special order by Mouse Tiara on Etsy. Look at this though. Oh, look at this print. Ah! Daisy. Oh, she's so sassy. All right, so the number one right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a combo. Okay, and they are Orange Bird and Daisy. Daisy, by the way, is my favorite Disney character if you did not know. Gosh, they're like, oh, gorge. Okay, whoa. Wow, we're gonna put these on. Wow. Wow. Ah. Oh, love it. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Woo, love it. Okay. All right, next up. Number two. Got number two in here. Number two. Ooh. Look. Oh my gosh, look at this Wonder Girl Gallery postcard. Ah, so cute. Okay, number two. Just one of your favorite birds and a Wonder Girl postcard to go with the theme. Made by Allie at Flip Stitch Repeat Co. on Etsy. All right, so that is this. All right, this is the postcard. And these are number two. So let's open these. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay. Oh, she is my favorite bird. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Exciting. Okay, look at Daisy. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open these out of the plastics. Ooh, nice. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, this is so cute. Look at that. Look at her here. She's adorable. Look at this. Okay, then the back. Look at her there. Ooh. And then there she is with Donald. Okay, let's put these on. Oh my gosh, I hate to take these off. Okay, let's put these on. Ooh, oh, so comfortable. Ah, I love it. I love it. Okay. Next up, let's see what we got. Number three. Oh, these are like fluffy. What is going on? All right, let's read the prompt for number three. Another one of your favorites, and mine too. I watched Sarah from Dream It DIY's video on reviewing a new small shop, and the daisy ears she opened were so darling. I reached out to Brandy on Instagram, meet me on Main Street, and she crafted these not daisy ears for you. Okay. So made by Brandy on Instagram, meet me on Main Street. Here is the postcard that goes with. I wonder if it's Orange Bird. Oh, okay, so they're in this like bubble. It's Orange Bird. It's Orange Bird. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's an orange slice here. This is resin. I love how it's tied down, and this is like covered in green. The silky bow with that Mickey in the center, and then Orange Bird. Look how cute this is. Oh, my goodness. Let's put these on. That's Ray. She's just going to hang out, I guess. Light. Light as a feather? Pun intended. Okay, anyway, number four. I'm sorry, I'm giddy. Okay, this is number four, and they're made by Eve. So let's see what this says here. Number four, these three are just the cutest. This ear creator made the same crocheted figment rainbow ears for Tony last year. Are these crocheted? I really love working with Eve. She is amazing. Made by Eve at Imagine Eve on Etsy. I am wishing you all the best in health and happiness. Love, Julie from the Disney Jewels. So I already said it was from Julie. Wow, Julie, you went wild here. This is crazy. So this is the postcard that came with this. It's the Three Caballeros. Is this a Three Caballeros crocheted pair of ears? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's check it out. I have always wanted crochet ears. What? Especially since Tony got those back in February last year. What? This is so in the middle. Who is this? Panchito? No, Jose and Panchito. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute. Let's put these on. How stinking cute is this? Ah! Oh my gosh, that is so fun. That is so fun. I love it. Julie, you did not have to send 4 pair of ears. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love all of them. They're so cute and so different, and they're all so special. I love it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go and check out all the channels that are participating in this month's Year of the Ear. And until next time, TTFN, ta-ta for now.